So what does every Model Y need? Mud flaps to protect dirt and rocks hitting this area here, and just in general from stuff flying around. So there's different kinds you can go with, but I like these aftermarket ones. Tesla has their own. So we got a pretty interesting kit here with tools included, some fasteners. So these are for all around, front and back. So the shorter ones here are for the front, and these bigger taller ones are for the back. So the back is going to be a little more involved because we have a bolt we need to unscrew here, but the front should be quite easy. But yeah, here we can see it says for Y front right, and they are all labeled. We also get a little instruction manual or picture here of how it goes together. So on the front one, we do have some kind of clip we need to clip in, also the back too. So yeah, pretty straightforward here. So the reason they give you extra these because it's a little more thickness through the mat, so you might need that. And these are the clips that we're talking about. So on the front here, we got 1, 2, which are here, and then it's just gonna clip around, and then we're gonna put that clip onto the side here. And you guys can see how these are quite a bit shorter here. So yeah, those two are out. Now we're gonna put this on. So there's a little tab here that it goes around the lip like that. Yeah, we're gonna put the longer clips back in there, and then we're gonna put the metal retainer in here. So yeah, put the long ones in. Other one's a little farther. It's holding in there real good. And then the retaining clip, just like that. And that's holding it real good. So yeah, looks really nice and really good fit overall. So for the back, it's a little bit harder, but not bad. I'm gonna need 3 clips, and then that one bolt that goes underneath. It's kind of dark, guys, but there's a nut here, and then the 2 clips, and then underneath there's a bolt, and you have the provided wrench to unscrew it. So yeah, once everything's out, and here on the top we do have a clip that kind of holds it, pulls it towards itself before we even put everything in, and we can see everything seems to line up very well, including under here. This cutout here is perfect, and then our bolt that we just took out from the bottom will go back in here. So yeah, not too hard, guys, and you can see it fits really, really good. Looks very clean. Let's go ahead and put these in here, and they fit perfect. And then we got one more up here, which is this twisty. This is the extra one that came with it. One seems to be holding it perfectly fine, and then we do have a metal clip that goes right here. Tighten the bolt underneath, and we are done. Overall, impressed with the fit and finish. It looks good. It does have a little bit of sticking out right here, but it's quite minimal. It's going to really protect the back from rocks coming up. But yeah, everything matches and looks good. And there on the front, looks great too.